Number 3. Chandler Tool Mini Dual Temperature Heat Gun. When it comes to crafting, the Chandler Tool Mini Dual Temperature Heat Gun is the perfect tool to have in your arsenal. With 2 heat settings to choose from, you have the flexibility to tackle a wide range of projects with ease. The low heat setting provides 150 watts of power, reaching temperatures up to 392 degrees, while the high setting kicks it up to 300 watts and 572 degrees. This mini heat gun is compact and lightweight, making it comfortable to hold for extended crafting sessions. Plus, the built-in kickstand allows for hands-free usage when needed. Not only is this heat gun great for crafting, but it's also handy for light repair tasks around the house. From softening sticky labels to shrinking wire tubing, this tool is versatile and efficient. However, the 5-foot cord length may limit your mobility if your workspace is far from an electrical outlet. What sets the Chandler Tool Mini Dual Temperature Heat Gun apart from similar models is its combination of power, portability, and precision. Whether you're embossing, making jewelry, or working with resin, this heat gun gets the job done with ease. Overall, the Chandler Tool Mini Dual Temperature Heat Gun is the best heat gun for crafts, offering a perfect balance of performance and convenience. Check it out for yourself and take your crafting to the next level.